small house need not mean you remain small on style or space. You need smart furniture that can multitask and maximize your living area. Alcove London is described as India's first organized brand for multifunctional furniture. The famous Murphy bed has been around in the West for years, but India has just been introduced to these mind-boggling foldable furniture concepts.
As the space is shrinking, as we said, we have to come out with some ideas where the existing spaces can be maximized. So Alcove uses the space maximization technology. When we say housing for all by 2022, you will have at least 20 million units coming in, and even if half of that comes into the place, then probably you will need much more and many more such revolutionary ideas.
At Alcove's first experience center in Gurgaon, watch a drawing room instantly transformed into a bedroom with a simple pull. Ergonomically designed, these vertical wall beds cum sofa sets glide with minimal effort. The supporting hardware is completely hidden and made of rust-resistant steel mechanism.
They are all high density material because a lot of weight comes at the hinge position, so they are HDF, and at the same time all the part which is touching the ground, they are aluminum profiles so that it should not get rusted.
Alcove's multifunctional furniture pieces display strength of both form and function. That means no tumbles or spillage of anything you have placed on your convertible bed. Necessity is the mother of all invention, and these bed cum study sets take multifunctional furniture to the next level. Students, work from home professionals or bachelors looking for minimalist furniture to do up their flats. These study beds are the smartest piece of furniture around. And then there are library beds for the book lovers who desire a quiet corner to read their favorite literary works. It's not just about freeing up spaces in rooms. Alcove is serious about smart space management for the entire house.
A person who is buying a home, and if that home is very small, then how can they make it up in the whole way? So we provide solution to the whole concept. If a person is buying studio apartment, we have a whole concept of a studio apartment of 218 square feet, 250 square feet. Similarly, a 2 BHK can be converted into 3 BHK to 4 BHK depending upon the needs of the customer.
At Alcove here, they've recreated a 530 square foot small 2 BHK flat. But with their smart space-saving furniture, they've managed to fit in 4 bedrooms with ample storage space. Take this storage room for instance. Sliding cupboards pull back to open up a folding bed. This piece is a hit among consumers looking to accommodate their domestic help inside their home. High-density fiber board and high-grade melamine are the base materials of this furniture. The rest is up to your imagination. You can customize furniture in any color for any layout and for whatever usage. From beds, study sets to coffee tables, Alcove is soon moving on to kitchens and bathrooms to carve out more space with their space maximizing ideas.
The price of the product range is similar to what is existing in India as of now. So it is comparable, number one. And number two is that by our estimates, we free up around 40% of junk space. So I don't take anything extra from you, but I actually give it back to you.
One benefit that could appeal to young families is the ease of dismantling and transporting these furniture sets. So go on, declutter your space to free up your mind and soul. With camera person Sudhish Kumar, Vasudha Sharma, NDTV.